This used to be my favorite song in my first CD.
Okay. Hi, my name is Ellie Stewart, and I am an Akashic Records reader and certified practitioner, instructor. And the Akashic Records is all about your soul's journey. So if you've had repeated patterns in your life that you don't understand, why don't you check us out? Your records would have the understanding that you need. Our website is www.pathways2light.org. Again, it's www.pathways2light.org, or contact me at 773-216-9882. That's 773-216-9882. I look forward to speaking with you.
Hello everybody, I'm Rafael, I'm from Brazil. I'm volunteering at the center.
My name is Matt, I'm from Denmark. We fight shoulder to shoulder with the poor.
Hi, my name is Andres, I'm from Colombia, and if you want to know more about us, go to oneword.org.
Hi, my name is Nicole Perry, and I am the creator of Natural Me, natural products for your hair and body. My website is www.naturalme.com, and also you can contact me at 312-869-9555. Again, Natural Me, call me, Nicole Perry, 312-869-9555. Website, www.naturalme.com.
Hi, this is Alicia C. The Jamaican Snack Hut. We feature one of the best in Caribbean cuisine. At the owner, Kurt Smith, he's found at jamaicasnackhut@gmail.com. And our number is 47285-1127. We do private events and catering.